ready as I'm going to be. Defer to him.
No.
Yeah, he's doing most of the talking,
She's
not
great.
me. Mm-mm, no.
Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman. With us now is a delightful couple. Their names are Bill and Liz Nash, and they own a company called Kitchen Tune-Up in Beaufort. And we have been talking a little bit about your history, your past, retired Marine Corps, Lieutenant Colonel at Paris Island. You all have been married 36 years. You're in this business together for about a year.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And so, first of all, thank you for your service.
Thank you, ma'am.
And let's talk about the business. It is Kitchen Tune-Up. So what all do you provide? I know we're going to focus on kitchens, but as far as renovations and so forth, what do you do?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for having us here today. We are so excited to introduce Kitchen Tune-Up to the entire Beaufort community.
Right.
So yes, we have 5 core services that we focus on as far as kitchen renovations go. You know, the first being just a basic tune-up, and that's what we're called tune-up,
Right.
kitchen tune-up. So we'd go in and conduct a reconditioning of old wood cabinets, if you will.
Right.
So that's like the first
Okay.
one, and then second would be redooring and refacing, where we just do just that. We really love that one. I get so excited, I get the chills just thinking about it.
So when you say so they've got some older cabinets, and you go and you sand, paint, and refurbish basically.
Yes,
what they
ma'am,
have.
that's right.
Yes.
So people are picking a wide variety of colors,
Yes.
say they start with a dark color. Now they're lightening things up, and it looks
Right.
brilliant once we get finished.
Whites and grays.
Right.
We can do painting
Okay.
also, and then we also offer complete replacement of
Replacement of everything.
cabinetry.
Kitchen is your focus, kitchens,
Countertops.
but you can also do laundry rooms and
Sure.
closet. I mean, all kinds of.
Bathrooms,
Bathrooms.
vanities, cabinetry,
How did
anything
you
that
guys-
has cabinetry.
How did you get into this business?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
Why do you love construction and design and all of this?
I think we can give that credit to Elizabeth because, she's a culinary arts major out of Johnson
Yes.
& Wales University.
Oh.
So, after we served the 31 years in the Corps, we said, how could we serve the people of Beaufort? And what better way than focus on, we consider the kitchen the heart of the
It
home.
is.
Yes.
Yes.
And yes, she specializes in all this.
And so, Liz, you probably know exactly where things should be placed
Oh, sure.
and how, just back to the whole design of how a kitchen functions well for cooking.
Yes, and we offer all of that with all the bells and whistles that whatever you can imagine, we can help you out with.
So what are the trends right now? You said different colors. People are going lighter or darker or whatever. Is there a kind of, what are you seeing out there with kitchens in particular?
Well, we brought some of
Yes.
these samples with us. The grays and the whites and the shakers are still like top. The shaker style cabinets are the top choices. But every customer is different. So depending on their likes and dislikes and
Right.
and their style, what they're going for, we have everything imaginable.
And so what is this backsplash? No, that's
These are
countertops.
countertops,
Yes,
Okay.
quartz countertops, and
Is that
quartz.
in?
Quartz is still the number one
Not
countertop.
granite. Granite's passe.
Well, granite. People do still love granite, but the quartz is queen. It's very durable. It's stain resistant. It does not need maintenance, resealing, or any of that. It's a superb product. So.
And how do we find you? I know you don't have a specific location. You have your website and all of that. But how, if we want to have a consultation, I guess that's how it starts. You'd come to our home, say,
Yes.
this is what you need here, there, whatever.
We'll set up a free estimate for anyone. You can find us online at kitchentuneup.com. We're on Facebook and social media and all of that. And
So, Bill, how do you like working as a couple?
Oh, I just love it. I mean, we served in the Corps together, but this is one thing that we can do together to, serve Beaufort County. It's just,
Right.
I love working with her. She's so brilliant and she's got good taste,
And you keep
Thank
saying
you.
serve Beaufort County. When we were talking earlier, we just love Beaufort. And
Yes.
and this is your way, in a very creative and artistic way, to give back
sure.
to the community and have a small business.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That is Exactly right.
All right.
And we have a son also, a 15-year-old son that we hope someday will want to. He's very entrepreneurial, so
Okay.
he might want to join the team someday.
Okay, we hope so.
Yes.
Okay, Kitchen Tune-Up, and you can find them on the website, and it's great to meet you. Again, thank you for your 31 years in the Marine Corps,
Thank
finishing
you.
up at Bears Island. And Johnson & Wales is a phenomenal culinary art school, so a lot of good background in understanding kitchens.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Bill
ma'am.
Nash.
Thank you.
Thanks for being with us.